How to create animated Stickman videos, that too free of cost using AI. Do you also think of the same question? Don't worry, I got you. We will also make sure it's 100% free and the character is consistent. First of all, look at this channel. It has approximately 90,000 subscribers with just 45 videos. If we analyze its videos, the first video was uploaded around 3 months ago, which means this creator gained 90,000 subscribers in just 3 months, and is now earning millions of dollars per month. So the question is, how can we also make such videos? If you play any of their videos, you'll notice they have only added static images. They don't even animate the images, not even the Stickman images. Yet they still get lots of views. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can animate images and create similar videos that can easily get lots of views. Without wasting any time, let's start. For this, you'll first need this script, which I've provided in the description. In the script, you'll see it set to 59 seconds. But if you want to make a 2-minute, 3-minute, or even 5-minute video, you can simply edit the time accordingly. I'm using 59 seconds just for demonstration. Based on your video length, you can divide it into scenes. For a short 30-second or 1-minute video, 5 to 6 scenes are enough. And for a 2 to 3-minute video, you can write 20 to 25 scenes. Don't be scared by the number of scenes because the process is very easy. With just one single prompt, you'll get the full video script, voiceover narration, image prompts, and even video animation prompts. Once you're on ChatGPT, first generate a topic. If you already have a topic, you can directly work on it. But if not, ask ChatGPT to create a short motivational or psychological video topic. You'll get multiple topic ideas, and you can select the one you like. For example, why comfort is dangerous. Then paste your copied prompt and replace the topic placeholder with your selected topic. And as soon as you run it, ChatGPT will generate the complete video script with scene-by-scene voiceover, image prompts, and video prompts. After that, we move to image generation using Gemini. Click on Create Image, upload a sample Stickman image. You can take a screenshot from my video or import one from Google. Then copy the image prompt for scene 1, paste it, and generate the image. Download it and repeat the same process for all scenes. Once all images are generated, move to Grok AI for video generation. Go to Imagine, upload the first scene image, paste the first video prompt, and generate the video. After it's generated, upscale it to 1080p and download it. Then repeat the same steps for all scenes. Keep in mind that the free version of Grok AI allows only 20 generations per day, but you can use temporary email services like TempMail to log in with multiple accounts. A process I've already explained in another video linked in the description and pinned comment. After generating the videos, we then generate the voiceover using a free text-to-speech website. Paste your script there, remembering that you can paste only 2,000 characters at a time, but you can generate audio unlimited times in parts. You can check and listen to different voices, select the one you like, click Convert, and within about 1.5 minutes, your audio will be ready to download. Finally, import all your videos sequentially into any video editing software. Add the voiceover according to the scene-wise script provided by ChatGPT, trim and match the audio properly, add background music, export the final video, and you're good to go. If you want to learn more totally free AI video generation methods like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.
Comfort feels safe. Soft chair. No pressure. No stress, but comfort slowly turns into a trap. When you stay too comfortable, your brain stops growing. It chooses easy. Instead of necessary, days pass. Weeks pass, you feel busy. But nothing really changes. Comfort kills discipline, and without discipline, dreams slowly die. Growth begins where comfort ends. Discomfort is the price of progress. Choose discomfort today, or regret tomorrow.